keys, your belongings in the house. I got 3 rooms towards my shelf. 3. Rule number 1. You like, you clap. Rule number 2. Don't like, you still clap. Rule number 3. You see something we can do in this movement train that you know you can't do. You say,
wow, those guys are amazing.
And you show your love and support. Key word, all donations are greatly appreciated.
No donation is too small.
Now, as soon as the doors open and close,
you already know.
Ladies and gentlemen.
watch us go to work.
Here we go on the train, doing our thing. Here we go on the train, doing our thing. Here we go on the train, doing our thing. Here we go on the train, doing our thing. Here we go on the train, doing our thing. Here we go on the train, doing our thing. Here we go on the train, doing our thing. Here we go.
Wait, there's more.
There's more.
Give us
More money.
Key word, if you do have.
Key word.
All donations are greatly appreciated.
No donation is too small.
These donations will help keep us off the streets.
And out of your
So
home.
if you don't have the cash to change for them, we also accept debit and credit,
Visa and MasterCard.
food stamps, coupons.
We'll take it all.
Yo, Chinese,
$1.
Japanese,
$2.
Jamaican,
$3 mine.
Puerto Rican,
$4 mommy.
black people,
$5.
and white people,
20 bucks.
That's you, baby. Yeah. Go deep. Go deep. Hey, she's on 400. Go. False alarm. Hey, just a joke. No matter your race, color, and creed, all donations are greatly appreciated.
No donation is too small.
These donations will help keep us out of 3 places.
Trade.
The jailhouse,
Uno.
the poorhouse,
Dos.
and most definitely your house.
Trade.
You can clap when you see a bunch of black guys doing something positive.
Hey. Follow us on Instagram.
Project Positive.